Hello, the cookies here. Today I'm going to make a tutorial. First, you need this thing. So I'm gonna put it right there and going to draw my character. This is my character, uh, Link. Her name is Link. His name is Link. Yep. If you ask, I'm a Filipino, yes. Yep, just that. And you need this. And just put it here. I don't know where you want to put it. It's your opinion where you want to put it. There. Think I'm wrong. Oh, okay. Just like that. You need to put it like that. And I have to choose the color right here. And color it with this. Forgot something. You color it here. And you put it here. This one. Where is it? This one. This. There. Now you have to do is go to filter and find this. And find this filter. Name hue saturation lightness. I don't know how to. There you go. The trend. You. Bye bye.